Welcome, my name is Steven. In this course, you will learn how to construct a VLOOKUP function with ease. VLOOKUP is very simple to construct. Let's assume that you have a price list here. You have package sizes, normal postage prices, priority postage prices. Now, this could have been a very tall list, and therefore, if you have to always count through before you tell a customer the price of a particular size, it can be tedious, okay? So let's assume on another sheet, you have this information section here, where you want to just select a package size, and automatically it should look up the price for normal postage and for priority postage for you from the price list, which is a table. This is a table. So VLOOKUP is basically just like looking up items from a price list, okay? The price of items from a price list. So with that in mind, let's say we want to find the postage prices for medium-sized packets, okay? So let's say we type here medium, okay? Right, now, so we simply type equal sign, and then VL, we see VLOOKUP showing up, we double click on it. So the requirements are lookup value. What are we looking at? We're looking up this. The lookup value should always be in the leftmost column of the table, and they are here, the leftmost column of the table. The next requirement is table array. Looking up from a table, this is the table. And once we are in the table, we will be in a particular row, okay? A particular row. So let's say we are looking up medium. So we click on medium in cell A4. A comma comes. And the next item has been bolded, table array. So we select the table, making sure that the lookup values are in the first column. Now, once we are in the table, it means we have identified the size we are looking for, and it is in a particular row. So we have to trace to the particular column number in which the price we want can be found. The column number for normal postage, as we can see, is column 2. So we just bring our comma and put the column index number, that's the requirement, being 2. Comma, next requirement is optional. When you see a requirement in square bracket, it is optional. Now, there are two options, true or false. Now, if we ignore this to put anything here to assume true, meaning approximate match. However, what we have here are exactly matched. So rather choose false, meaning we want an exact match. Okay. And we simply enter. And that is the price for medium-sized items. To do the same for priority, now we could have actually done some freezing and dragged. But for learning purposes, maybe as a first timer learning VLOOKUP, I'll not do that. So we come over here, type equal sign. VL, we see in VLOOKUP, we double click. We are looking up the size, comma, from a table. Where is the table? This is the table, making sure the lookup values are the first column of the table, because you start looking up from the leftmost column and then count the columns as you go along. Now, comma, now the priority posted price is in the third column. So put, that is the column is index number, put number 3, comma. We want an exact match. So we double click on false and we enter. And that is VLOOKUP. If you want to know the price for small, you simply type small over here, and we have the prices. Now, if you want to be more professional, you may not want to be typing these things here. So quickly, you can do what we call data validation. Data validation. So we select this cell. We want to select the items from this list. So we select this cell. We are validating this cell. We select it. We go to data, and we look for data validation. And it says allow any value, but we want to allow a list. We want to allow a list. So we choose here list, and to access for the source of the list. The source of the list we know is this. So we simply capture the list, and that is all. We simply click OK, and we have it now. So we don't have to type again. So we choose. If we want extra large, we get it. If you want large, we get it, and so on. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to receive more videos like this, please hit the subscription button. That way, you get a notification anytime a new video like this comes out.